Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and it's Christmas time. And I have a light show in my house with my Christmas tree. I found new technology that in a very inexpensive way allows me to create my own custom light shows for any purpose. It's Christmas time in my house, so I figured that would be the best way to show you how to do this. All you need is the internet and 110 electricity, which is what the American households have, and lights. Check what I did in my living room. I put my Christmas tree up, I strung it with all the lights, and then I plugged it in to Asante's Tap Tap 2. The Tap Tap 2 by Asante is a way that marries your lights with your plug-ins with LED lighting and makes your lights dance to the beat of your music. For me, my Asante came with 12 different Christmas songs for me to choose the ones I liked, and I chose this one. I liked that it came preloaded with Christmas songs. That just made it really easy for me. Look at those lights go with that song. Oh, that's so pretty. I love decorating for the holidays, but it's even more exciting to have a light show that is very inexpensive. I don't have to pay thousands of dollars for a custom light show. Asante has done it for me. It's great for Halloween too. Just think of all those fun Halloween songs, and those scary Halloween lights will be dancing to the music of your choice. This setup is so simple. Asante gives you the Tap Tap 2 Quick Start Guide. And by reading this guide and following the directions, it's very simple to set up your Tap Tap. Let me tell you what I did. The Tap Tap device is high quality. It looks like this. It comes with a power cable, a plug cover, and a weatherproof cover in case you want to use it outdoors. In front there's a volume button, and a volume level, and a power button. And it shows a Wi-Fi signal. It lights up so you know you have good Wi-Fi strength and it's picking that up. So I plugged my Tap Tap in and I powered it up. Then with my phone I went and I got the app. I connected my Tap Tap 2 to my Wi-Fi router in my house. And after it connected, then I had all the fun. I got to choose my songs from either their playlist that they give you, and they give you a lot of songs to choose from for any occasion. But you can also go into your phone and grab the song you want and use that. The Tap Tap will choose the beat, but the fun thing about Tap Tap is you get to tap tap it and choose the beat you want if you want to have a little more light action happening in your life, which is an amazing feature. That makes it so you can create your own custom light shows. And then it's time to just sit back and relax and watch your light show and enjoy your beautiful Christmas decorations with your family and your friends. So when the kids come home for Christmas, they get to hear my favorite songs that I sing to them. Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since you know a place to go, let us know, let us know, let us know. Asante also makes a really interesting garage door opener too. This is what the garage door opener setup looks like. It comes with these parts, and this is what it looks like once it's made into a garage. So back to Christmas, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Don't you just love that tune? I love the look of this. This feels so homey and warm and inviting for a wonderful Christmas time. Click the link and check out Asante's Tap Tap 2. I hope you get one. I hope you like yours as much as I like mine. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to be notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for a really fun light show to the music we want to play to. Wow, what a way to have a lot of fun in your own home the way you want to with your own special light show. See you next time. If you like this video, check out these others because they're in this whole lighting industry now, which is so exciting, it's exploding.